What would be those common mistakes and pitfalls that every product manager should avoid?
So, see, firstly, I don't think that, you know, mistakes or pitfalls, nobody does it intentionally. So, it's not possible to avoid them as such. But I would just share my experience, what I feel I could have done better in my so many, years or months of work experience. Which is one is that because a product manager has a lot of parallel things going on, right? So I would be writing a PRD and I would get an invite for a meeting and I cannot skip that. So then I'll jump to that. Then again, my focus gets lost. And you tend to have your own times where you focus on writing, right? So writing is not an easy job that comes to everyone. And as a product manager, you have to be a very, very crystal clear and accurate writer. So then what I'm trying to get at is that one common challenge that a product manager face and would probably not fail at, but would probably find very difficult to cope with, is prioritization of tasks, right? So um, every task that comes your way has its own importance. Every stakeholder who comes to you is important, and as a PM you cannot say that oh, this person is from this team, so I will look at this problem later on, and this problem is more important. So how do you prioritize? So the best way to do this is that you focus on execution, as I said. So you focus on what are the projects that you are responsible for, what are the deadlines. If any problem comes from those projects, then you know the order, you know the stack rank in which you have to take up and pick up those things. If there are any ad hoc requirements or ad hoc complaints that come, then you have to again do a reprioritization check for fitting them into your daily plans as well. And anything that spills over to the next day should be sorted out first, right? So don't think that okay, this has spilled over today, but today I have more important things to do, so that one now will be done later on, because it will come biting back to you. You will be responsible, you will be answerable, and it is your duty to get that sorted out. So then whatever spillovers are there, just make sure that you get them done. Try to learn multitasking. You need to be a multitasker, even though you might not be able to focus on multiple things at one time, but you should have at least a view and an understanding of multiple things at the same time. So write down everything that happens. Any meeting that you attend, write down the MOMs, float the MOMs across so that everybody is on the same page. Over communicate whatever deadlines you have. Keep communicating the deadlines to all your stakeholders. Any documents that you write, keep updating them with the latest information that has come for that particular product. So yeah, these are the kind of, I would say, planning and project management techniques that, if done well, a product manager's life becomes simpler. Obviously not the simplest, but it is a fun role to handle if you learn these aspects.